Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And welcome to the Christmas series, episode number 9. So today I am going to show you how I package Happy Mail, but this is a different type of Happy Mail. I participated in a Christmas Pulse swap hosted by Cat Paper Love in Instagram, and we were required to get some goodies for our pen pal as well as for the doggies. So I am going to show you the box. So this is what I did with the box. I glue the lids, the inside of the lids, and also place a 12 by 12 paper here. And this is a regular priority mail large box. So because of the space, I decided to package things in different ways. So the first packaging is this box from Michael's. It's very cute, and in here contains the mug for my swapping partner as well as Ice, that's the name of the doggy, toy. And just to ensure that it doesn't move or the lid doesn't open, fall apart, I tied in this ribbon that I bought at home. So we'll put it here, and then we were required to embellish or alter a frame. So this is a frame already packaged here. And what I didn't use wrapping paper. I just used the Dollar Tree kind of like fluorescent cellophane and this nice ribbon from at home so she can reuse it. And because of the size, I'm putting the frame like that. And here are the Christmas theme treaties for the doggy. Again, use the cellophane blue paper just to keep everything on theme. Put it over here like that. Yes, he will be able to close. And here, just to keeping theme, yes, we do have pink, so you know I love pink too. So here is the ornament that I am sending, and this is a tag that I put together. It's gonna be over here. And here is a package for my swapping partner, something crafty related, and I put this coin bag together and embellish it with some trim from Hobby Lobby, and this is from at home. I made a bow out of it. I love it. I love the mix of patterns and textures. So I'm gonna put these probably underneath. There's space over here. Yep. Then another little gift for my swapping partner. This is kind of a different hue. I love this paper baggie that I got at the Container Store. So I am going to probably put this one over here. Yeah. Then I just got these at the dollar store. I think it's cute, like a notebook. And this is a card. I purchased this card and the store is called Only Happy Things, and from Created Rowie. She has a YouTube and also an Instagram account, and she owns this shop, and she just designed this gorgeous card. So including the card, and of course I including one of my memory decks cards to her, so she has my information. Put it over here. And now, here comes the fun part. Since this package is super loaded, I am going to make sure that nothing moves. So I am going to, first, before the tissue paper, I'm going to add these ornament fillers. Yes. I'm going to use these ornament fillers as confetti. Just a little bit so it's not too annoying, you know, when she receives the packages and they have all kinds of things there. So we want to make sure that the package doesn't move or anything slides on. So got all these empty spaces here. Got more. Okay. I think this is good. So it won't move. Okay, so this is how I package this box with the goodies, some happy mail for my swapping partner. Nothing too elaborated. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and stay tuned in my Christmas series. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.